This is the Everton at Wilkesmore Villages home tour of the Summerwood model by Pulte Homes. So we went out on a Saturday or Sunday morning and bright and sunny and got to look inside this model. It's a ranch style, all one floor with an optional loft, which you will see in a minute. When you enter, immediately on your left is a guest bathroom. It's a full bath and your guest bedroom. It's nicely sized. It's probably appropriate for a queen size bed. There's a nice double window, the must-have ceiling fan, and a decent sized closet for a guest bedroom. Coming out into the little hallway there, you can see engineered hardwood as the floor throughout most of the home. In the guest bath, as I mentioned, it is a full bath. It has some really nice rectangular tile all on the walls, wood look porcelain tile. It had nice fixtures, actually. It was kind of like a brushed pewter, the large shower head, standard toilet, and then a little vanity. I think these are standard finishes. They call that cultured marble. It's basically, kind of a resin, but it's one piece, no seams, which is nice. Decent space for your linens, towels, etc. It's pretty tall. I was surprised how high the ceilings are in this home. Maybe 8 feet, something like that. And another little closet out here for your odds and ends. Stick the vacuum in there. Coat closet, shoes. As we move into the main hallway leading toward the main living space, the second room on the left is going to be an office or a den. Beautiful French doors leading into it. Decent space for a desk or two, or however, it could be a craft room. There's your view outside. You can see your neighbor. The yards are small for those of us that really don't want to do any yard work. Okay, back into the main hallway. There's the optional loft. If it didn't have a loft, I believe there's a closet there is what they put in there. Okay, finally to the main living space. So what's great about this house, you have a beautiful open kitchen on the right with a lovely island. There's a little coffee nook, they call that, to the right of where the refrigerator goes. Then the pantry, then the oven. And it's a double oven. You have a microwave and a convection oven. Pretty good pantry space. And you can fit in there. I've seen some pantries that they expect you to kind of be Plastic Man and stretch your arms out. So the cabinets and fixtures are all pretty nice in this home. It's probably in terms of levels, a level 2 or level 3 upgrade. That is called a gourmet kitchen, this one, because it has that fancy oven hood. And it does have gas. So for you chefs out there, home chefs, it's a gas stove. And classic white subway tile. Really, they styled this kitchen and selected finishes that truly are timeless, which I highly recommend. Here's the island. This does have the upgraded farmhouse style sink, again with the brushed pewter fixture. There's the dishwasher. Optionally, they can raise that dishwasher, they told us, so it can stand a little bit taller for maybe for folks getting on in the years and they don't want to bend over so much. But lots of prep area. It's got a twin trash receptacle drawer right there, which is really nice. Some pendant lamps. And there's the kitchen. And the island has room for stools, a little overhang, so people could eat there, chat, talk. It really kind of presents itself as a showcase kitchen. And for those of you technology users, there were electrical outlets at the island, which is a huge plus. There's a dining room space right there, and then they actually finished a part of the lanai. Otherwise, that actually room that we're standing in would be the lanai, and it could be screened in, for example. But this home, they actually finished that section and added an extra lanai on the back, if you will. The main living room is right here, so it's really great, especially if you're entertaining. Everybody's in one place. You mount your flat screen above the fireplace. So a lovely fireplace, has an upgraded marble surround and hearth. It is a gas fireplace, so press the button, boom, you've got yourself fire. These windows are kind of interesting. They're a little high up, like partial windows, and we had mixed feelings on them, but overall it's better to have the light coming in than to not have any light. And floor to ceiling windows probably would be too much light, especially if you're trying to watch television in this room. So I think that was a good compromise to get some more natural light coming into the home. Here again is that finished space that normally would be a screened-in lanai, but you could finish it if you wanted to pay a little extra, and you get a little more living space. Moving out to the lanai, here's what a screened-in lanai would look like. It's pretty much what you would expect. Not everyone screens it in. Some people just had a concrete pad and didn't bother with a screen, but I would recommend it. And then when you get a screened-in lanai, they also add another concrete pad, so you could put like a smoker out there, grill out. You have a nice surface for that, and you don't have to worry about burning down your home. So again, you can see a little bit of the yard outside. Lawn maintenance is not included with any HOA here, so you would be expected to maintain your own lawn. Okay, we're back in the main living space. Let's take a look at the dining room. And now let's move to the master bedroom. So you have this tiny little mini hallway here leading to the master bedroom. The bedroom is very large. It has high ceilings. This one has an upgraded tray ceiling in it, which is an option. In the bathroom, you have the double sinks vanity, which is fabulous. This has a granite top with undermount sinks, and again that brush pewter fixtures and poles, standard lighting fixtures, and a very large shower in this model, or you could optionally have a large garden tub, soaking tub, with a smaller shower that has a little seat inside of it. But beautiful travertine looking porcelain tile with pretty tight grout joints, which is what you want in a wet area so you don't have to scrub it as much. It's the same travertine looking porcelain tile on the floor. Here's your undermount sinks. They were a nice rectangular size, gave you quite a bit of space to work around. There's a separate room for the toilet, which I think most married couples appreciate. Nice tall ceilings. Then you have your linen closet, plenty of space to store everything you need to maintain the bathroom, towels, etc. Here is the master closet. It's a walk-in closet with plenty of room for him and her, or whoever, to store all their stuff. Okay, exiting the master bedroom, we're back into the main living space. Okay, off the front door or front main hallway to the right is the laundry. Yeah, nice functional space, plenty of room. Shelf up there with room for more shelving if you wanted to some storage. Then you have the garage. It's a double car wide garage, and then they can even add an additional space for a golf cart in our town. Here's an optional extra spare bedroom that you could also add if you wanted to, which is a nice option in case you have guests visiting. And the optional loft upstairs, we can take a look. This added like 23 grand onto the price, I believe, of the home, if you added it. But it's nice if you had visiting guests, and especially if there's children, they have a place to go hang out. There's a crawl space up here. And up here in the loft, there's also the option, if you add the loft, it comes with a bedroom and a full bath. So again, really nice if you expect to have guests visiting. And this way they can have their own space up away from the main living area. Especially good if you have a longer term guest. Maybe you have like an in-law or a parent visiting and they're staying for a few months. And that's it for our home tour of Pulte's Summerwood model. And all in all, this was our, we toured a few models. This was our favorite, which is why we made this video. Again, we're going to take you on a tour of the yard next, so enjoy the little walking tour. Okay, and here's just a little tour of the neighborhood. You can see the different elevations of the various homes. Each home has a unique elevation from its neighbor, which is kind of interesting. Some have brick, some have I think it's hardy plank, or whatever they call that, cement plank siding. Some have, fieldstone, brick, or the hardy plank, or some mixture of the two. Enjoy the tour.